So we're looking at a Sony laptop here. Anything in this range that's got a similar looking keyboard is going to be able to do this. You flip it over. That screw right there. That screw right there. That's it. Pull those two screws out. And then we pry up the keyboard. You just do that all the way along. So we've got it up along the edges. There's one clip as well. So we're going to pulling it away here. There we go. Underneath is the ribbon. And this one is taped. Keyboard's out. New keyboard in. So we've got the connection taped up. I've got this bottom piece pushed in, and then we just press the top in. And then put those two screws back in, and you're done. Congratulations, your Sony is working just fine now. If you want some more, hit the channel. See you next time. Ciao.